If you are looking to add a fun, full body movement to your workouts, then you definitely need to try a power clean and or a hang power clean. In this video, I'm going to show you the proper form for both movements, some things to avoid and watch out for, as well as how to do a power clean or a hang power clean, no matter what kind of equipment you have, from dumbbells, barbells, or any sort of odd object. You guys ready? This is a fun one. Come on. The basic principle of a power clean or a hang power clean, no matter what kind of object you are using for weight, is to get something safely from the ground up and into what's called your front rack position, which means resting right here. So we want to take it anything safely from the ground to right here, or if we're going from the hang position, which is anywhere from our hips down to the tops of our knees, anything we can safely get from here to right here. useful as far as learning some new things about power cleans, hang power cleans, some technique, some things to avoid, and how to do it no matter what kind of object you may have at your disposal. If you learned anything, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, check out all the other movement demos and workouts that I've got posted there for free, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.